Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to block ads on Infinix. If you are using an Infinix device and now you want to block ads on your device, so let's see how can you do it. For this, first you have to open your phone settings, and settings just scroll down and look for Google, and here's that, tap on it. Here you just have to select all services, and now scroll down again and look for ads. Here's that, tap on it, and here you will get an option of delete advertising ID. Just tap on it and then tap on delete advertising ID. After doing this, you just have to delete your advertising ID, and now just go for usage and diagnostics. Tap on it, and here you can see it is enabled. You just have to disable this setting. Just tap on it and then it will be disabled. And after doing this, you have successfully blocked or disabled ads on your Infinix device. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.